Good day all you wonderful people, welcome to Adventure Together. My name's Al and this is the day we summit. It's going to be the climb up to Katahdin, Big Mama K. This is it. When we get to the top, touch that sign, that's our through hike finished. And it's now about 5 in the morning. We've just come to the rangers station in Katahdin Stream campground where we can keep all of our heavy items that will be in our backpack that we're not going to use, so like our sleeping quilts, our tents, hammocks, food, anything that we're not going to carry, and we keep that here, and then we head up with nearly empty packs. I've got a couple of bottles of water, a couple of snacks, my winter clothes, because it's going to be super cold out there, and it's all very exciting. That's all of our stuff at the back there. And a few other people are going to be along very soon, and this place will be full of other hikers stuff that they're leaving here. This is my food bag. I'm going to go hang it up from some bear cables. Yeah. So's Holy Roller. And then we will head up to Katahdin, which is in that direction. But we've got to go that way first. Red Panda has a little red bag, a tiny little thing.
So cute.
Look like you're heading to school.
Are you gonna take that? Could Big Mama K might take me to school today?
Holy Roller also has her school bag here. Look at that.
It's my first day kindergarten.
You two look like it. Taking small packs up because you don't need much. How you feeling, Red Panda?
Feeling pretty good. Had the nervous poops this morning, but I'm just ready to get this done. It's gonna be exciting. Get to start out not hiking, which is always exciting. Feels extra adventurous.
How are you feeling?
I'm excited. I haven't had the nervous poops yet, but there's a privy up the trail near a waterfall, so I'm sure I'll make use of it.
Red Panda just said that it's the first time he's been this nervous since the very first day.
Yeah. So it's fitting. It's the first day I was nervous, jittery. Last day, nervous, jittery.
Let's go. Okay. Stick it in. Let's do this. Train to main. 1, 2, 3. Train to main.
Train to main.
Hey. Starting out on a very rocky road that's only going to get rockier and steeper and colder and more exposed, all the way to finish, starting off in the dark and heading up such a imposing mountain as Katahdin. Hunt AT Appalachian Trail, Baxter Peak, where we're going, 5,268 feet, 4.1 miles. See, the peak of Mount Katahdin is called Baxter Peak, but the mountain itself is called Mount Katahdin, in case you're confused. It did get rockier and it did get steeper. Head hazard!
Head hazard!
Head hazard!
We're getting towards the top of the tree line and the wind is really, really strong. I don't know if you can hear it. But have a look at this. That tree's ready to go. Wow. Wow. What a beautiful view for the morning. This park really is something else. That wind is no joke. I'm just hiding behind a rock, otherwise I get blown over. We just turned a corner out of the tree line and the wind is absolutely battering us. But the view is amazing. Well, we're just out of the wind now, hiding behind some boulders. That wind was insane. We had a really tough part of the climb. It's just a sheer rock face, really hard, and then the wind was so hard, it's like some of the strongest winds I've ever felt. Look how fast that wind's moving, that's insane. And we're just about to go up this ridgeline. Look at that wind. Oh God, no visibility up top. Fun. Oh, it is bitterly cold, and these two here have battled up some of the steepest bouldering we've ever done. Poor Rob hasn't got any gloves with him. How are you feeling, Holy Roller?
I just want to be off this mountain. I'm ready to power through, get to the sun, take a picture, and get off.
Yeah.
I will celebrate at the bottom.
Yeah, it's about how I feel right now. Can't wait to get feelings back on my hands.
Yep, one picture on that sign and that's it. Personally, I've nearly been blown off the mountain I don't know how many times. Every time I seem to stand up while climbing up these rocks, the wind comes along and just batters me. So it's a really hard trek, and we're just hoping that the clouds clear and the wind dies down enough to get a decent picture at the top. And let's get this Appalachian Trail journey over. We've now got to the part of the mountain where the wind is bringing frost all over these plants. Just past some people who are on their way back down, and they've got frost all over their backpacks. So it's going to be very cold at the summit. Is that it? Have we done it? This is it! You did it, Red Panda!
We did it, brother!
We did it!
Oh my God!
We're so snowy.
Katahdin, we've got to the top despite 50-mile-an-hour winds, snow, every other kind of nature trying to hold us back, but we did it. Holy Roller!
God bless.
Fist bump, boom. made it. That's it. The train's made and reached its destination, Mount Katahdin. We did it. We've done it. All of that work. Now we want to say we are officially Appalachian Trail thru-hiking. Has reached its end. So we are at our hostel for the night before we get out of town. We've come in out of the elements and now we are in a place that is much warmer. Woo! So, for the AT, that's it from us. Thank you for joining us on our AT journey.
Train to Maine.
And we'll see you on the Pacific Crest Trail
Not me.
next year.
Not me.